Message from Archangel Michael. Archangel Michael invites us to maintain faith and trust, even in moments of uncertainty and challenge. He reminds us that, although we may not understand how situations will unfold at this moment, we must never cease to trust. Archangel Michael warns that negative entities are using all their resources to sow fear and confusion. In these times, it is crucial to stand firm in our faith and not be swayed by fear. Even when the path seems dark and despair threatens to engulf us, we must remember that evil never prevails. The divine protection of our Creator is always with us, and those who believe in Him will find protection and salvation. He urges us to remember that light is stronger than darkness. We are already protected by His blue ray, with its strength, courage, and divine protection. In a few months, false prophets will emerge from the darkness, trying to divert our attention and confuse our hearts. Against this, Archangel Michael urges us to follow our heart and our inner intuition. Be brave, be strong, and always remember that the light of divine love is your greatest ally. Together, we will overcome the shadows and find our way to an era of peace and understanding. Trust in me, trust in yourself, and trust in the unbreakable power of divine light. I love you. Archangel Michael. Remember that this message is not just words, but a vibration of love and light sent by Archangel Michael. Each one of you possesses an inexhaustible inner light, a force that allows you to face and overcome the challenges of life. His purpose is to remind you of your innate power and help you rekindle that light, especially in moments of doubt or fear. I send you, with all my love and energy, a torrent of light and positivity. May each of your steps be illuminated by divine wisdom and love. I am Zoe, voice for We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you at every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.